Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code with GD. I am Gaurav and I have been working in the software industry for over 5 years now. In this YouTube channel, we explore programming concepts to help you become a better coder. I will be posting regularly on this channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. What is TypeScript? In essence, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds static typing to the language. This means when we write TypeScript code, we are just writing JavaScript with some added syntax for types. Don't worry about types if you don't know yet, we will dive into this. You might be thinking, so what is the use of TypeScript? Well, it helps us catch errors early in the development process by analyzing our code for potential issues even before we run it. Imagine it as a friend sitting behind you, reviewing each line of code you write and pointing out the mistakes. When we write TypeScript, we are still writing JavaScript. All your knowledge about JavaScript, arrays, objects, functions, and syntax still applies. The only difference is that we add type annotations to our code. These annotations help TypeScript compiler understand what we are trying to do, which helps them catch errors before they become problems. If you don't know about type annotations, it's completely fine. We will dive into it later in this playlist. So TypeScript is basically JavaScript but with syntax for types. We have talked so much about types, but what is a type system? We have two types of typing, static typing and dynamic typing. So in statically typed languages, type checking happens at compile time. This means the types of all variables, expressions and functions are known and checked before the program runs. You need to explicitly declare the type of variables, function parameters and return values. Languages like Java, C++ and TypeScript are statically typed. This approach catches syntax errors in your editor as you type in the code, leading to more reliable code and often better performance due to compiler optimizations. In dynamic typing, type checking happens at runtime. This means the types of variables and expressions are determined as the program executes. If the program has errors, you won't know without executing your code. You don't need to declare types explicitly, and a variable's type can change over time in such types of coding. Languages like Python, JavaScript and Ruby are dynamically typed. And dynamic typing offers more flexibility and can speed up development, but it may lead to runtime errors that are only caught when the code is executed. Here's a quick comparison. In static typing, type checking is done at compile time, whereas in dynamic typing, type checking is done at runtime. Explicit type declarations are needed in static typing, and we don't need them in dynamic typing. There is early error detection and potential performance benefits, whereas dynamic typing has potential runtime errors, and there's a focus on development speed and ease of use for dynamic typing, whereas static typing focuses more on safety and robustness. So now that you know about type system, the type system is the core of TypeScript. Its goal is to help us find errors during development. Let me write some code for you and we will check. As you see, I'm writing the code. The editor is constantly analyzing the code. It found a potential error and is giving us a chance to fix it even before we ran the code. If I write the same code in JavaScript, I don't get an error even if I assign string to a variable that originally contained a number. Now this code will not throw an error. This is because how JavaScript handles the code, but the intent of the integer that was originally created is now lost. Now compiling TypeScript. So TypeScript doesn't run directly in the browser or Node.js. Instead, it is converted to JavaScript code that is then executed. All type information that we wrote in the TypeScript code is lost at this point. Think of TypeScript as a development tool that helps us create a JavaScript code which is more robust and reliable. So in conclusion, TypeScript brings the benefits of static typing to JavaScript, helping us write more reliable code. Whether you prefer static or dynamic typing, it depends on your project's needs and your personal preferences. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Code with GD and click the bell icon for more great content. Happy coding and see you in the next video. Bye bye.